Hey, I'm Tay, and this is a quick review of Kaoruko Moeta and Nendoroid. Starting with the box, all about it is pretty standard, but I don't think that it's a bad thing. The articulation has no surprises, except for the falling off braid. I'm not sure if it's a common issue, but be careful. Also, she comes with another pair of hands that has a wide range of movement. Kaoruko comes with 3 faceplates. A cute one, a one, and a happy one. There are a few accessories. First of all, it's a tablet. The pen can be separated from the arm. Then there is Nyaos-sensei. It's part of the special hands. But there is another Nyaos-sensei. What a cutie! Thankfully, you can swap their heads. Kaoruko doesn't have many accessories, but I like that her faceplates are pretty generic and yet hilarious to use on other Nendos. My opinion on this Nendoroid is that it's the best because it's super cute. Kaoruko doesn't need a lot of accessories to be enjoyed, and that's why she may end up my favorite Nendo of 2019. Here you have a sneak peek at my preparation for the photoshoot. I decided to make something simple and yet cute. This channel reached 100 of subscribers, and I'm shocked that there are so many of you. Thank you. Also, how do you feel about the narration? Anyway, leave comments, watch my other videos, and check my photos on Instagram. I'm Tay, and bye!